Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best air fryer for big family in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker. The Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker is the perfect kitchen appliance for anyone looking to enjoy delicious and healthy meals at home. With its compact design, this air fryer is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anywhere you need to save space. The air fryer features temperature control, allowing you to cook a wide range of foods to perfection. The non-stick fry basket makes it easy to cook and clean, while the recipe guide provides you with a variety of meal ideas to get started. Whether you're cooking for one or for a family, the Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker is the perfect tool for making healthy and delicious meals. The 2-quart capacity is perfect for small meals or sides, and the auto shut-off feature ensures that your food will never be overcooked or burned. The Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker is easy to use, with a simple and intuitive control panel. Simply set the temperature and cooking time, and let the air fryer do the rest. The end result is perfectly cooked food every time, without the need for added oils or fats. So if you're looking for a convenient and healthy way to enjoy your favorite foods, look no further than the Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker. With its compact design, temperature control, non-stick fry basket, and recipe guide, this air fryer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Our second best pick is GoWISE USA 2.75 Quart Digital 50 Recipes. The GoWISE USA 2.75 Quart Digital Air Fryer is the perfect kitchen appliance for anyone looking to enjoy delicious and healthy meals at home. With its compact design and 2.75 quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anywhere you need to save space. Included with the air fryer is a comprehensive 50 recipe book, providing you with a wide range of meal ideas to get started. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, the recipe book has something for everyone. From classic dishes to new and exciting meals, the book is designed to help you make the most of your air fryer. The GoWISE USA 2.75 Quart Digital Air Fryer is easy to use, with a simple and intuitive digital control panel. Simply set the temperature and cooking time, and let the air fryer do the rest. The end result is perfectly cooked food every time, without the need for added oils or fats. The air fryer is also versatile, allowing you to cook a wide range of foods to perfection. Whether you're cooking chicken, fish, vegetables, or even desserts, the air fryer has you covered. And with its compact design, it's easy to store when not in use. So if you're looking for a convenient and healthy way to enjoy your favorite foods, look no further than the GoWISE USA 2.75 Quart Digital Air Fryer. With its compact design, 50 recipe book, and digital control panel, this air fryer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Our third best pick is Secura Air Fryer 1500 Watt. The Secura Air Fryer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to cook a wide range of delicious and healthy meals with ease. With its 4.2 quart capacity and 1500 watt power, this air fryer is perfect for cooking for families or larger groups of people. The Secura Air Fryer uses hot air technology to fry, roast, grill, and bake your food to perfection, without the need for added oils or fats. This makes it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods and helps you to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. The air fryer also comes with a range of additional accessories, including a baking pan, drip tray, and cooking rack, allowing you to cook a wide range of meals and desserts. And with its non-stick cooker and easy-to-clean design, you can spend more time cooking and less time cleaning up. Included with the air fryer is a comprehensive recipe book, providing you with a wide range of meal ideas and cooking tips. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, the recipe book has something for everyone. From classic dishes to new and exciting meals, the book is designed to help you make the most of your air fryer. So if you're looking for a convenient and healthy way to cook your favorite meals, look no further than the Secura Air Fryer. With its powerful performance, additional accessories, and recipe book, this air fryer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Chefman's 6.5 Quart Air Fryer Oven. The Chefman 6.5 Quart Air Fryer Oven is the perfect kitchen appliance for families or those who love to cook for large groups. With its spacious 6.5 quart capacity and powerful performance, this air fryer oven is designed to make cooking a breeze. One of the standout features of this air fryer oven is its flat basket, which allows you to cook more food in less space. Whether you're cooking up a storm for your family or entertaining guests, the flat basket provides ample room to cook all your favorite meals. This air fryer oven is also incredibly easy to use, with a 60-minute timer and automatic shut-off feature. Simply set the timer, and the air fryer oven will automatically turn off when your food is ready, ensuring that you never overcook your meals again. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts and BPA-free construction. And with its powerful performance, this air fryer oven is the perfect appliance for cooking up a wide range of meals, from juicy chicken to crispy fries and everything in between. So if you're looking for a convenient, easy-to-use, and space-saving air fryer oven, look no further than the Chefman's 6.5 Quart Air Fryer Oven. With its powerful performance, flat basket, and dishwasher-safe parts, this air fryer oven is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Air Fryer by Cozyna with Air Fryer Cookbooks. The Air Fryer by Cozyna is the perfect kitchen appliance for anyone looking to cook healthy, delicious meals with ease. With a 3.7 quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for singles, couples, or small families. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its included cookbook, which features over 50 delicious and healthy recipes. From crispy chicken wings to roasted vegetables, this cookbook provides a wealth of meal options that are sure to please even the pickiest eaters. This air fryer is incredibly easy to use, with simple controls and a digital display that allows you to keep track of cooking time and temperature. And with its powerful performance, this air fryer is able to cook your food to perfection, without the need for oil. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze, thanks to the removable, non-stick basket that can be easily wiped clean. And with its compact size, this air fryer is perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms. So if you're looking for a convenient, healthy, and easy-to-use air fryer, look no further than the Air Fryer by Cozyna. With its included cookbook, simple controls, and powerful performance, this air fryer is the perfect appliance for anyone looking to cook delicious, healthy meals with ease. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.